Log 1010. They contacted me in my dream again. They've realized I'm worthy of knowing their existence. I feel they're trying to tell me something, but I haven't been able to decipher their message yet. Log 1035. I tried to communicate with them, but woke up before it occurred. I have to find a way to make contact.
You got the readouts? You alive?
What?
That may not be where it goes, but that's where it's going. You got a lot done.
Frank, do you ever feel like your life's missing something?
No.
Doesn't it bother you, though, that in 80 years no one will ever know that we even existed?
No. Stick to your accounting so we can get out of here by 5.